So ever since I moved out 2 months ago, I've been running back and forth because not everything here is available at our fingertips. And during that is when my skin gets exposed to not only the UV rays produced by the light bringer, but also other things such as dust and pollution. And therefore, I have switched most of the skincare products that I believe are more suited to current situations, and I added one additional step for a faster recovery of the skin. And I also believe anyone can make use of these products, whether their skin is tanned or not. The only requirement is you need to be an alpha and a member of the Alpha Army. This is Choudhary. We are the Alpha Army. Glad to have you on board. Now, the first step in any skincare regimen would be cleansing, and I can't actually tell you which face wash I'm using because I don't really know which one I like the most. I got a bunch of them. The Ustraa one is really great. The Beardo also does fine, and I've also got caffeine, but to be honest, it's only there because of my love for coffee. But the thing is, I don't really know which one I like the most. Maybe we'll have to do another in-depth comparison video about the three. But for the time being, let's say all of them are good enough. But next comes the moisturizer. And as you guys know, I was using the Man Company Daily Moisturizer before now. But I found out that it wasn't really suited to such situations. High humidity, high temperature, more sweat, more dust and pollution and everything. So it gets really sticky really quickly, and instead of protecting the skin against everything, it actually starts attracting them. And therefore, I switched the Man Company Daily Moisturizer to the Nivea Men Fresh Face Moisturizer. And this is actually a gel, not a cream, so it gets absorbed as soon as it is applied to the skin, so it doesn't really have the chance to get sticky in the first place. Now, washing the face and applying a moisturizer afterward are two of the most basic steps that every alpha needs to take for the betterment of their skin. But for the damage that my skin had already suffered, I was kind of looking here and there for a possible solution. So our longtime favorite Ustraa came to the rescue, and they have this amazing detan kit on their website. So I decided to include an additional step in my skincare routine that includes it. But if you're enjoying watching this, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. So in this kit, we get a detan face scrub and a detan kit. Now, the reason I liked this one in the first place and the reason I didn't even look out for any other solutions is the first and probably the most important: they've got no harmful chemicals. And second, all the key ingredients, we'll talk about them in a bit, are completely natural. Now for the detan scrub, we've got walnut granules or akroat as one of the key ingredients that work very well in removing dead skin cells and effective cleansing. The other one is Swiss garden cress or halim ke beej, and I honestly don't really know what that is and what it does and how it does, but it is supposed to help in skin brightening, fading any dark spots and discoloration of the skin. And quite similar in terms of good ingredients, we've got licorice root or muleti that helps in reducing under eye circles and age spots in the Ustraa detan cream, as well as Japanese yuzu, which is a Japanese citrus fruit similar to orange. That is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help repair the skin and revise aging effects like wrinkles and fine lines. And again, I don't really know what that is, but it makes the thing work wonders. Plus, it is a natural fruit, so that's all I need to know, so I'm good. Now, I have been using the face scrub every third or fourth day. Followed by the application of the detan cream. Now, we are supposed to get the most out of the detan cream if we leave it on overnight, but I haven't tried that because it already makes a difference for me when I leave it on for like 20 minutes. And also the detan cream is actually safe to be applied every single day. But that's it, that's what I've been doing for my skin, and I have to say I am beginning to see a little bit of difference now. But do keep in mind, these products are going to work slower for me than maybe you, because my skin has already suffered too much damage, plus it is still going through a lot every single day. But if you're interested in any of these things, you can always find the links to everything in the description. But if watching all this was worth your precious time, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And with that being said, I'll see you around. Alpha.